We do commercial systems. What's important for them is the financial return. It's more probably important than the environmental factor because it's got to go past the chief financial officer usually and get approved that it's worthy of a financial return. Commercial solar system, you're looking at sort of 2 years anywhere up to about 4 years on return because we're looking at using more of the energy that's being generated. You know, that sort of business where they're using power during the day, they're the ones that are really going to benefit out of the solar system because they're using it when the sun's shining. A road that a lot of companies take when they're putting a solar system on their roof is the cheapest wins the race, but it's not always the best way to go if they're looking for a long-term investment. You really need to put some quality up there, installed by a quality company that's going to be around to look after the warranty. And the system's got to have a long warranty on it to make sure that you get your bang for your buck. You definitely reduce dollars by spending a bit more up front. You know, we can show figures that prove that time and time again. Putting a system on that is going to last 25 years far outweighs a system that's going to last you 10 or 15 years. A commercial system's all about, is the money that we're going to invest in this going to come back quickly, and is it a reliable system that's going to last 20, 25 years, so we're really going to get our money's worth out of this solar system. And that's what we look at. Once that system has paid you back, you want to get as much life out of that system as possible. And you can expect a life of a solar panel to be 25 to 35 years. The electronic side of it, the solar inverter, may have to be replaced every 15 years, but the solar panels are solid. You don't want to be up there changing them every couple of years. It's expensive. So it's worth putting on something that's going to last. There is a warranted income stream that's very favourable on a high quality system. We're doing a lot of embedded networks now, and embedded networks with the solar system work really well. We're getting returns of investment on big $100,000 solar systems of 1.5 to 2 years, believe it or not, with an embedded network. So we work with an embedded network company and we go in with like a joint venture and work out the best possible solution for a solar system and for a business to get the best value out of it.